It is really difficult to provide a specific timeline. And it's also very difficult to ease one's mind about the length of time it could take because we're talking about people's lives here. But the answer to the question is that immigration is very backed up. And there are different ways to keep a person here in the United States while fighting your case. If you are a victim of domestic violence, if your status in the United States depends on your spouse, who's now going to be an ex-spouse, there are multiple options that could be available to you that you want to make sure you vet out first before you even think about leaving the United States. And then there are also considerations for affirmatively leaving the United States. Let's say you do want to go home. But then there are also those foreign nationals who really want to stay in the United States who don't want to get deported. And a lot of times what we see is that the spouse is threatened to be kicked out of the United States just because they're going through a divorce. And in those cases, it depends on the case, of course, but there are ways to keep the person here in the United States.